Crystal report. In Crystal report, today's lesson, how to make a report applying sorting option and grouping option, right? And the last option you're having formatting, how to format your report. What's the meaning of format? Format. Format means editing, yeah. Changes, right? It's not like this that normally in the case of hard drive and flash drive you are thinking that you are going to format the hard drive, so format means you are erasing each and everything. But if you think properly on this formatting word, format is used to make tracks and sectors, and after that file allocation table. So actually I'm going to change the format, I'm going to change the view, complete the inside view of the hard drive. So the same thing. First of all, you have to create database, right? Here MSX is started, blank database. Now here I created folder. What the desktop classes? This is morning S Crystal report, and here a new folder by the name of, what's the date today? 07-10-7-2012, and inside this folder I'm going to create database by the name of employee, right? Now create a table here. Employee ID, number, name, text, salary. Or let me take this one text, or you can also select this one as number. Yeah, commission, number, MGR, manager, this is text, and last one we are having the EPT number, department number, this is also number, right? Let me take SID as, from here I'm going to select this as auto number, and take this as primary key as well. Close it. Yes, I want to save this by the name of EMP table, right? I'm going to make entry inside this one. This is first registration number. Early I'm writing here 1000, commission 0, manager king, in department number 10. Now at least I have to make entries of at least 10 to 15 records. So let me pause the recording, and after that, and I'm going to enter the last record. After that I will start recording. Okay, so this is, I'm having the last record. Total I'm having 15 records, right? 15 records done. Now control S, sorry, not control S, automatically it's saved. Okay, now if you watch carefully here, that report we will making report is easy. Sorting, what's the meaning of sorting? Arranging data in a specific order. So in the sorting you are having either ascending or descending. Ascending means sorting from A up to Z, yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, from less to greater. And descending means starting from Z till A, or starting from greater value till smaller value. Now if you watch carefully here, I can sort my my report on the basis of employee ID. Right now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, it's representing ascending order. You can apply descending order as well. Right now this is MSX, is just I'm discussing with you people. Okay, here ename, on the basis of ename also you can sort either in ascending order or descending order. If you are going to apply ascending order, those names who are starting from A, they will be on the start, they will be at the top. Those names who are starting from B, and the names which are starting from Z, that will be at the end, right? Now same case with salary as well. If you are going to select ascending, those employees who are getting less salary, their name will be on the top, and those employees who are getting the greatest or largest salary, they will be at the end. Like if I sort the record on the basis of salary and ascending order, the Ajiseb record will be at the bottom. Why? This is the greatest value. And who will be on the top? 500. Yeah, that employee having, yeah, Jamal. So that record who is directly available, so that will be on the top, right? Now same case with commission. king, and department number as well. In department number, if you are going to apply the sorting in ascending order, 10 10 10 10, then 20 20 20, then at the end 30 30 30. But if you are going to apply in descending, so the 30 will be on the top and the rest of 10 10, that will be at the bottom. Okay, now the next thing, you are having grouping. Group. What's the meaning of group? You are going to collect records when two or more than two records. King in one group, Ellen in another group. Why? Because here the data is repeated. Now if you watch carefully here, you are having 10 10, then again 20, and again 10 here, then again 10 10. So the grouping function I can perform either on department number or manager. On manager column or on department number, I can apply the grouping. Yeah, you can apply grouping here on the ename as well. Grouping you can apply on ename as well. But what it will do, if you watch carefully towards each and every name is different from another name. So total it will make how many groups? It will make 15 groups. So that grouping having no meaning. If you are going to apply grouping on EID, from grouping, I mean to say you have to keep same type of data. Now king, yeah, now watch king, that's fine. So the king data will be on one side, the Ellen will be on another side, the Smith will be on another side, or department number 10 data on one side, 20 another side, 30 another side. But if you are going to group on EID, there will be total 15 groups made. So no meaning of group. So before grouping, you must know that which column having repeated data, right? Like for example, I am coming inside Kardan. Outside lot of students are there. Now I am saying that DIT students one group, DBA students another group, DEL students another group. So they are going to group on the basis of a specific term, right? Now already database created. Do remember you have to save your report in 2003 format, right? After this, we are going to study how to connect your report with how to connect the Crystal report with SQL Server. Just I was telling you the access. The reason behind this is that mostly in the offices there are databases in Access. They have created databases in Access. So how to pick data from Access? In the same way, I will tell you how to pick data from Excel as well. If you are having some record, some data in Excel, want to make report from that. So Excel, inshallah, we are going to study as well. Database created. Inside database, employee table created having EID, ename, salary, commission, manager, and department number columns, right? And having 15 records. Now Crystal report. If you're not next, if you're getting such type of message, simply click on register letter. Watch, I've installed freshly, no files are here, so I have to select as a blank report, right? This one we will study later on, this one as well we will study later on. As a blank report, click on OK. Now this is Data Explorer. From the Data Explorer, you have to mention the database, with which database you are going to make connectivity. More data sources selected, and after that you have to select OLEDB, Object Link Embedded Database. Object Link Embedded Database. This plus selected. Now either double click on this make new connection, or make new connection already selected, click on add. One is the same thing. I'm going to double click, or simply selected and click on add. Select your database, the type of database. Database I've created in Access. So for Access you are having the driver Jet 4.0. For Access you are having 4.0. Select it and click on next. Now mention the database name. Browse selected, those three dots selected, or the desktop. Here I'm having folder classes, morning, term S, Crystal report 7, and this one database, right? Test connection, that's fine. Okay, now if you remember in the database right now I'm having only one table, EMP. So now add this table to the report. Exactly like the previous one, is I double click on the connection, or I click on add. So simply the table already selected, either double click or click on add. So once it added, there will be a green color tick mark. Watch, double click. So if there is green color tick mark, mean to say the EMP table added successfully to the Crystal report. Close. Full screen. Now here you are having the Field Explorer. Field Explorer. In the Field Explorer, you have to mention the fields from the table of the database, and you have to drag, drop, and will display it here in the detail section, right? For example, if this window closed, then what you have to do? Insert, and here you are having the field object, right? In the previous class, I have discussed with you people that report having 5 sections: page header, page footer, report header, report header, report header, report footer, right? And the detail section is that area where your report will be displayed. Now, record nahi start. बोले वर्खता की ये तुमने. Okay. Database, in the database table selected. No, not shortcut. Directly I have started. Employee ID, the first field. Employee ID. Click, drag and drop it here in the detail section, right? This is you are having the first field. After that you are having the ename field. Drag and drop it here. Now if you watch carefully, the name is not that much longer. This is the field I am going to specify for name. So what you have to do? Simply click on name field, shift back arrow key, shift back arrow key, shift right arrow key, shift down arrow key. So you can do like this, right? Now shift up arrow key and left side. Now the heading as well. Now the next column I am having salary. Click, drag and drop it here. Next one I am having commission. Next manager. Now for manager as well. Click, make it width smaller. Please. Manager, the heading is well selected and make it small. And here the last one you are having department number. Click and drag and drop it. Right? Now click on this EID and change its alignment to left side. This one EID and make its alignment to left side. Salary left, and this one as well left. Commission, all of them are numbered, that's why they are coming on right side. And here department number, this is selected left, and this one as well left. Now simply click on this yellow icon, refresh, and here is the report. No saved, just refreshed. So just simply I created the report. There is no any formatting, there is no any designing, there is no any sorting and grouping. No. Yeah, of course. This question I think in the previous class, who asked this question? Okay, I'm going to make change in the database. Of course they are linked with each other. Classes, Mornington, S, Crystal report. Database open, EMP table. Here I'm going to make entry of I'm working with King. This is department number 10. Close. Close. Refresh. Okay, now watch. The last record here coming as well. Right? Okay. Now I want to sort report. I want to group my report or records. So what I have to do for this? Watch carefully. Again, go to design view. Right? In the report, here you are having an option by the name of sort records. In the reports, here you are having an option by the name of sort records. First of all, I've written sorting and then grouping. Okay. So click on sort record. Sort record having 3 dots. It's going to open a window in front of you. Now these columns are available here on the basis of which you can sort your the report. Employee ID, ename, salary, commission, manager. So which one is better? Let me sort on the basis of employee name. Add, and now here you are having 2 options, either in ascending order or descending order. If you are selecting ascending order, those names who are starting from A, they will be on the top, right? Okay, I'm saying ascending order is fine. Click on OK. Watch carefully towards employee IDs 1, 11, 7, 5, 10. Why they have changed? They have changed because of the e-names. Ali, then Bilal, then CR, A, B, C, D, E, F, H again, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, and the Y is at the end. Why? Because we sorted records on the basis of E names, right? Again, Control Z, Control Z. The undo action, same as you are going to perform in the Office packages. Again, click on report. Here you are having sort record. I'm going to sort record on the basis of employee ID. Double click, but in descending order. Click on OK. Click on preview and check it out. Do remember one thing, excuse me. By default, there will be no preview. When you freshly make a report, there will be no preview. So in the design, you have designed the report, right? And when you click on refresh, so it will generate this one window for you, the preview. Now watch it out here. 16, 15, 14, and the last one record, you are having the 1. Right? Clear till here? Anyone having problem? Simply I created a report, and in the report menu here you are having sort and a specific folders, sorry, a specific attribute selected, and I applied the option either ascending or descending, right? Okay, now Control Z once more, preview, same as old report. I want to group records. Right? So here in the insert menu, here you are having an option by the name of group. In the insert menu here you are having an option by the name of group. Select group. Now you are going to group records on the basis of employee ID. No employee ID. Employee name? No. Salary? No. Commission? No. Yeah, you can select either manager or department number. The best option is manager. For example, I'm selecting department number. Department number selected. And I'm saying that customize group name field as well. Okay, remove this check, no. And keep groups together. Click on OK. Now watch. Click on preview. 10. What's the meaning of 10? 10 is representing department number. 10 is representing department number. Now, if I group the DIT students on the basis of department number, that will be too much difficult. If you are coming to Cardan and somebody new student is coming to Cardan and that student is asking that, sir, where is class 105? Where is class 105? So 105 is or let's say that student is asking where is 101 department. So that will be too much difficult. Only professional and only technical people can know that. But the ordinary people do not know. So you have to mention proper name here for grouping. Control Z. What I'm going to do? Design, insert, group. In the group from here I'm selecting manager. On the basis of manager I'm going to, and keep group together, right? And inside the group I'm going to display records in ascending order or descending order. I'm saying okay in descending order display. Click on OK. Again click on preview and check it out here. Smith records grouped, King record group, Allen records group. Now if you are going to present the report exactly like this, watch towards the report how it's looking. You must have proper heading. So for that, now format the report. Format. I want to include some heading at the top. So what I have to do, again click here, drag it down. In this section, insert text object. Click. Implies sample report. Implies sample report. Click. Increase its size. Heading is too much. Make it size small. Yeah, this is fine now. From where I inserted this? Insert text object. Insert text object. Where? In the report header, right? Now make it bold. Change its style as well from here. Let's say I'm selecting Calibri style. Yeah. Now For the student ID, name, salary, I'm going to change them as well. Sorry, not student, the employee ID. Employee ID selected. Here I'm writing only ID. For this one I'm writing name. For this one proper salary. Commission. For this one manager. And here the last one department number. Now select all of them as well. The heading, the page header selected, page header selected, right? Remove underline, make them bold, right? Change its style to Calibri. Now the same I'm going to apply to the group name as well. This is the group name. What's the group name? It's going to display King, Allen, so I'm going to make its weight smaller. King, Allen and Smith. They are not that much bigger. K-I-N-G 4 character, S-M-I-T-H 5 characters, and A-L-L-E-N 5. So you to say the manager names can be adjusted here in this section very easily. Now select it from here, the same Calibri style applied, and now select the detail section. Select detail section. Full detail section selected, and from here select Calibri style. Till here done. Now have a look here towards the report. Again I want to make it more attractive. So for that click on design, insert, what's this? Box selected. Click and drag and drop. Okay, this was box for the top area. Now I want to draw a small line here. Insert, line, draw a line here. Control back arrow, it's not moving back. Insert, line, just starting from the leftmost corner, and drag it till the end, right? Adjust it. Now once more, IDs, ID, name, salary, and all of them selected. Control X, cut, insert. Once more, I need a box. Box inserted. Now inside this box, Control V, working, right? Now check it out, have a look here. This is its preview. Again, design view, click on this group name, right click, format field, format, as we have discussed. Format field selected. Here you are having font, or should be the color. I want to change its color to something like this one, blue. Click on OK. Again click on preview. Check it out. It's coming like this, right? Now a little more change, and that's it. The rectangle selected, which I have specified for the headings. Right click, format box, and fill color. Yes, check on. When the check is off, there is nothing. Fill color, inside to this box I want to apply some light color. This silver color I want to apply. Click on OK. But if silver color applied, the text is not proper. Okay, this is visible. It's fine. And now for the top For the top box, if you want to apply some color schemes, etc., you can apply as well, right? Box selected, right click, format box, fill color, and for the top one, a little darker color I'm going to specify. Gray color specified, and click on OK. And the text, for the text, if you are going to specify white color, that will look much more better. Text selected, right click, text format, sorry, here, change font selected, color, from here I'm going to specify some light color, white color, right? You're also having the custom. If you're going to click on custom, it's going to open the panel for you. From here you can select any color, right? White color here, underline, and click on OK. Click aside. Now have a look towards the report. Click on preview. Here is the report. So this was all about formatting. Is this clear? Right now you are having 48, 14 and 50. Still you are having 15-20 minutes remaining. So have practice on this. If you are facing any problem, I'm here, right? At least create a report, sorting, grouping and formatting. And how to save report, you people know. Control S. Over the desktop, here I'm having folder by the name of classes, morning, sort underscore, group underscore, and format. Thank you so much.